In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints, best practices. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on sprints in the right place, save your settings, and surface the sprint field in your project so your team can plan and track work with confidence. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and heading into your workspace. Once you're in, look for the main settings. You'll usually find a gear icon in the sidebar. Click it to open your workspace settings. We're going to make one quick configuration change that enables all the sprint functionality you need. Inside settings, choose Spaces. This is where you control features for each space in your workspace. Think of a space as the container for a team or a major area of work. Because sprints are a space-level feature, enabling them here ensures they show up only where they're relevant. Select the space you want to use for agile work, then open its ClickApps. ClickApps are modular features you can toggle on and off to tailor each space. Find the sprints, ClickApp, and enable it. Turning this on adds the sprint field and related options to lists in that space, letting you organize tasks into time-boxed iterations and see which work belongs to each sprint. If you manage multiple teams, enable sprints only in spaces that actually run iterative delivery. This keeps other spaces simple and uncluttered. Next, make sure to save your changes. It's an easy step to miss, and without saving, the sprint tools won't appear for your teammates. A quick save here ensures the setting applies consistently across the space. Now navigate back to that same space and open the specific project where your tasks live. Choose the view where you manage tasks, typically the list view, so you can customize columns and make the sprint field visible to the team. In the task table, add a new column and search for sprint. Select the sprint field to add it to your view. You can drag the column to reorder it and place it near status or priority for easy scanning. With the sprint column visible, you can assign each task to a sprint and quickly tell what's planned now versus later. If you like, filter or sort by that column to focus your board during planning or stand-ups without changing any task details. A few best practices as you work. Name sprints consistently using dates or a clear sequence so searches and reports stay clean. Keep a standard sprint length that matches your team's cadence and capacity. Before a sprint starts, confirm tasks have owners, estimates, and priorities. Then update them during daily check-ins. Avoid mid-sprint scope changes unless they're truly urgent, and keep your workflow statuses lean to reduce noise. And that's it. You went to ClickUp, open settings, selected spaces, enabled the sprints, ClickApp, saved, returned to your project, and added the sprint column. With these foundations and habits, your team is set up for predictable, transparent delivery.